want to do my homework. I mean, it's so easy. It's just spelling, and the teacher doesn't even check it. Gosh. I'm gonna watch TV. Forget about my homework.
When you're ready.
I love this part. What was that noise? What? My binders are here? I thought I left them downstairs. Now, here. Stay here. I'm just gonna go watch TV. Ow! Where did this come from? Oh, I'm just so freaked out. I'll just do my homework already. Where'd they go?